What's going on, guys? It is Dustin, Midwest Aquaholic, here back with you today. Just wanted to tell you a little bit about this awesome tank that I built here. Gonna go ahead and show you how I built it real quick. Went through the, go through the steps of how, what I used and how I did it. It's got a heater in the corner, back corner here hidden, as well as the filter tube that runs down. I've got slots in the top and the bottom for water flow to go inside the corner. So it's overflow of sorts, and the full 3D background with a cave at the bottom. This thing was my first attempt at something like this, and it came out, I think, pretty freaking cool. So if you want to watch to the end, I will show you exactly how I made this, and I will be giving this away at the end of this video. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I literally just sliced all the edges, and then I went through with my finger and I just picked it out. Got it all picked out, and then I went over with my fingernails and just scratched all this and gave it some texture. And there it is. There's the start to our background. Alright, after messing around with some configurations, this is what I'm coming up with. It's going to be tree roots in the corner with the stones over here, and in here gonna have the filtration and the heater. When I decided I'm gonna go ahead and add some dimension to this too, I'm gonna glue on some foam, some pieces that I've broken off. Alright, got everything pulled out of the tank. Went ahead and made this little cut off. Foam is all shaped, ready to coat. What we're going to coat it with is some fast plug. This is hydraulic cement, and what I've went ahead and done is got some concrete colorant, some liquid colorant. We've got charcoal, we've got brown, and we have buff, which is kind of a tan color, and well, that's what the buff is. Don't forget to find a stirring tool to stir this before you start the process. Alright, stir stick found. I'm gonna mix this stuff up. Now this stuff is pretty much water here, so I'm going to add just a little bit more cement to this mix. Alright, now I've got a better consistency. We're just going to paint this brown. Looks like a tree already. It looks like I'm painting it with paint, but this is a cement. It's very paste-like, as you can tell. I had to do a repair on this yesterday. It cracked up here, so I put a thick layer on there. This chunk broke off, so I put a thick layer on that. It's pretty much like rubber in a can. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be giving this away. This is going to a lucky winner for Christmas. Somebody that will give me the best idea of what they will put in the tank, and I just want to hear some ideas of some really cool fish, maybe you know, some extra stuff that you might add to this. Basically, the best comment wins. You have until December 24th at midnight, because we will be announcing the winner on Christmas on our Facebook page, and hopefully somebody will end up with this really freaking sweet setup and get to take it home and fill it and enjoy it for the year of 2021. Since 2020 sucks so freaking bad, I had to do something with my time. This is what it ended up being. The end results of my time. It's about 6 hours I spent doing this, so not a whole lot of time, but had a lot of fun doing it. This was definitely a trial run. I am going to be trying to, I'm going to be building these same, not identical, but similar backgrounds to my 280 gallon tanks, and I have 2 of those that I'm going to be building, so I needed some practice, and this was a good one for it. That being said, I also did this rock. This was my very first concrete foam sculpture, and it turned out really sweet as well. I am probably not going to be giving that one away. That's my first. You can't give away your first. But anyway, this is it. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you would, shoot me a like on the video, subscribe, and go on over to our Facebook page, check us out. That's where we're going to be doing the contest at, so enjoy.